Okay, today we're going to take a look at the new Arduino version 6. This is the new Wi-Fi version. Comes with a micro USB cable and the Wi-Fi barometer and air temperature instrument. Setup is quite simple. You just need to plug in your USB. So it will work like a traditional Arduino. The Arduino version 5 dongle, you can just plug it into your USB port here and get a serial connection. But today we're going to demonstrate the Wi-Fi potential of this. Like on my boat, I have a 12 volt cigarette lighter, a couple units, so you could always get an adapter. These just bring the voltage down to 5 volts, and today I'll just use a regular Samsung USB charger. So just plug it in, it will automatically power itself up. Just going to place this over here for now, and I will open up my laptop. Okay, so I already have OpenCPN up and running here. I'm just going to go down to my Wi-Fi and go to my connected at Sea SSID and go connect, and we'll just wait for this to connect. Okay, now we're connected. It will say no internet, but it is connected for our purposes. Let's just go over to the options. We'll go over to connections. I always like to show the NMA debug window. Make sure our stream's coming in properly. I'm going to add a connection here. So the nicest part about this is there's no serial drivers to mess around with. You just click on network connection. I go over here, make sure UDP is selected. I don't need to put in IP address, just the port number. So in this case it is 62400. I'll put in a user comment. Say the Arduino version 6. And I'm going to go down the list here. We've got control checksum checked and receive input on this port checked. And we'll just leave the rest of it default. Go apply, and okay, we should see our data stream coming in a few seconds. There we go. So I see our 4 sentences, 2 XDR for temperature and pressure, the WIMDA for barometric pressure for OpenCPN, and the MTA temperature for OpenCPN. And we go over here and look, and sure enough we've got our temperature coming in and our barometric pressure. Okay, so the nicest thing about this Wi-Fi unit is that I can pick it up on multiple devices at one time. So I'm just going to switch over to my Imray devices here. I will go over to my settings. So I'm going to click on Wi-Fi, connected at sea. Go over to my protocol, make sure I got UDP checked, and I got 6400, excellent. And go to my NMA stream, and here's the NMA server UDP, and all of our sentences coming in. And if I go over to our instruments, there we go. 2 air temperature instruments, 24 Celsius and 75.3 Fahrenheit. Okay, so one other option that you have for this is that you can in fact wire it directly into a 12 volt battery on your boat. So I'm going to have a commercial adapter available within a couple of weeks on the website. But essentially you just need to attach your positive and negatives to this, and the voltage regulator will be built in online, and you can just use the adapter and connect these up, and you'll be good to go. Okay, so I'll leave it off like that for today, and we'll hopefully have a new video shortly.